Stand by. It doesn't look like it unless the map is delayed. You should be coming up on Victory Ridge on the right. Look for a carway.
Stay on the radio for him to give us updated accurate sheet. Go ahead and tell us where they're at. Echo 113 to Echo 137 for status. 10-4, still on Clubhouse Drive. D17, light traffic. Echo 113 direct, I'm off on Montgomery County. We're at Turtle Cove Spa in Mount Harbor. Speed 13, no traffic. Doing a turnaround, I guess. I'm sorry. Give me that street again, it's hard. Back out of Clubhouse Drive. Copy Clubhouse Drive.
There were 0 contacts with a home number found during your search. Say the list number of the contact you want to call.
Let me see your fucking hands! Hands now! Get out of the goddamn vehicle! Get out of the fucking vehicle now! Get out! Get out the damn car! Open your damn door! I'm fixing to jerk your ass out then.
Open the fucking door!
Get the fuck out the car now!
I own this vehicle.
Get out the damn car!
Sir, I own this.
Get out the car now! Get out the car! Get out! Boom, boom! Get on the ground!
I have a pacemaker.
I don't give a shit.
I didn't.
Get down on the ground.
On the ground.
Try to get the other arm.
Shit. Get on the ground. Go ahead and cuff him.